Hey, little fan.
Hi.
What do you think of Dad's truck?
I love it.
Yeah? Is it Asher approved too?
Yeah.
Asher, you like Dad's truck?
And I love flying in.
Alright guys, Brent's out on race week. We've been slamming today. I didn't have a camera all day. Oh, let me get back in the light. Didn't have a camera with me all day. I got everything charged up now. So this nice old GMC. Got that thing all working. So that was an LS with a Holly on it. And when they got the interior done, something happened and they erased the tune. I went up and dropped the beater off this morning. They dropped it back off with a new windshield in it. So that's good. Robert picked up the Red Bull car just now. He's taking it to Hot Import Nights. Sean's about to roll over 300,000 miles on the 4Runner. So before he leaves today, he's gonna strap it down, roll over 300, and then see what it's making with his new twin turbo setup. And then we've still got some more work to get done after he's gone. So just wanted to show you what we got going on right now. All right, guys. Well, Brent's gone at race week. We're all doing our thing. Shane's back here taking over my bay. And we have Mario's Prelude here. He's been stuck at like 11 O's, right? So Shane just put some springs and retainers in this guy, throwing it back together. So he should be ready for PSCA. He's really wanting to run that 10. He's been right there for about a year and a half. So hopefully this will get him there. We can give him a little more RPM. Hopefully he can get that 10 finally up here. All right, Sean, you ready to roll? Hit your 300,000 and then see what kind of power she makes. Give it just 1 second. Just 1 second, let them walk through. The miles clicking away.
Yep, now we're going 60. So I got 4 miles, that'll be about 4 minutes. I can crank up speed a little higher.
Do 90. I'm a bad influence. Abby! Close.
We're at 98.
Yet?
Almost. 99. When I hit 300,000, we'll make the pull.
That camera's recording, right?
Yeah. Is it mine?
Now it is.
Oh.
Almost missed it. Sean's got a serious face on.
I'm just trying to watch it. Get the RPMs down to where we want to make the pull and clear. 300,000. Woo, boy. All right.
Oh, you gonna make a pull now? Yep. All right. Heads up, guys. He's making a pull. Yep. Hit it. We got race week up on the big screen, so we got to look on the little screen here.
It threw SD card error right when I did it too.
282. Woo! 282. Now, Sean, after you drove it for 4 miles and 90 mile an hour forever on the dyno, shut it off and cool the damn thing down.
All right.
So guys, some of the other stuff we got going on while Brent's gone on race week, we really wanted to take the opportunity to get some stuff done that's been sitting here for a while that we really need to catch up on. This year has been kind of rough with COVID and everything, trying to get parts and keep caught up. So been doing that, but we also wanted to do a little cleanup. You know, we don't always have the time. We're working, you know, 10, 12 hours a day. So sometimes it gets away from us. So while Brent was gone, we decided to go ahead and give the dyno room a good cleaning. You know, there's not stuff piled up all over the dyno. There wasn't anything on his toolbox, but this is just the stuff that we're using right now. You know, got all cleaned up, got the stuff out from under his box and everything. Then out here, you know, just the little stuff that adds up all the time. We've always had one little hole in our parking lot right here. It's been, you know, about a foot deep mud hole. So Jeff brought his tractor over. We got that. You know, our parts piles outside have been growing. Shane's been doing swaps and pulling motors and slinging parts all over. So stuff just piles up. Getting that cleaned up. You know, we had a gigantic scrap pile going over here. So we got the old rusty trailer emptied out. So we were able to put a scrap pile on it. And we're gonna wander on over here. I'm gonna show you the present Javi sent us today. You know, the new building, this is something that we've had for almost 2 years now. It was abandoned for, not abandoned, it was empty for about 8 to 10 years. So there's been a lot of upgrades we've had to do to the building just to keep it working. But now we're wanting to move on to getting the outside cleaned up some. You know, there's dirt parking lot, stuff like that. So we just want to make use of what we've got. So over here, we got our scrap pile. This is just the stuff that's been piling up. So able to clean up a little bit while Brent's gone, get that loaded up. And Javi got us the beginning load of our parking lot. So we'll be able to put this down, really clean up the parking lot, clean up where we're parking the cars, where we're driving and everything. It'll make things a lot better for us. Cars won't get as dirty, we won't get as dirty, dust isn't coming in everywhere. So that's next step on our outside projects. All right, you got it cooled off after your 4 mile drive and your hot pull.
Yeah, I might have to get out of it if I do a cold pull, because sometimes OBD2 doesn't like to fuel as much right away.
Okay. We'll see what your temp gauge looks like, because it might still be warm. You just got an FMU in here, right?
Correct.
Stock ECU and an FMU.
Yep. It says 203. Pretty average temp on it.
Right on. Go ahead and roll it. Race week and 282 horsepower. What? 282 horsepower.
Still only 6.2 pounds of boost.
Right on. Well, now you know.
I might try to turn it up a little bit.
282, 282.
What?
Did you turn it up?
Yeah, I think so.
All right. You think so?
It's a manual boost controller. You know how that goes.
Oh, I'm the master of those. You want all of it? $280. Lost a couple.
Lost some, bro. I sound like 5.8.
Well, cool it off real quick. Let's see if the torque pickup's working.
Oh yeah.
I wonder if it's noisy or not. It kind of looked noisy when we were setting it up. So 327 foot-pounds on the 280 pull. What'd you find in here?
I found that my upper 90 fitting is busted off of the side. It should be right here.
Oh darn. Shoot dang.
Yeah, it looks like my control arm might have hit it.
What? It's when you're out jumping in the field out there.
I guess, yeah, that's probably exactly when it happened. I probably sunk that in there pretty good. Might be able to extract it real quick.
The first week he bought this truck, we took this thing out and jumped it, bro, and we bent like 3 shocks on this thing.
Yeah, the shafts were straight there.
Hi guys, so Derek Martin's hatch. We also had a problem with one of the coilovers when we were at the track about a week ago. So we put some different coilovers on front. We found a tie rod that we weren't totally happy with. Got the weight set up, got the height set up. So now we're gonna load this in the trailer. I'll drop it off for an alignment in the morning. Then we can hit the dyno with it. I think we're going back to the track with him Wednesday to try and get his last couple licensing passes before PSCA. So just trying to get everything buttoned up, roll it. We changed to the electric fuel pump from the mechanical. So we're just gonna roll it, make sure the tune's good. Then we can go on Wednesday and try and get the rest of those licensing passes.
Right there.
All right, so you got your fitting fixed on the wastegate?
Yeah, we extracted the nipple and then moved its location. And yeah, it should be repaired.
Right on. How much power? Hey. Okay, maniac. You let him out of the fab area for an hour and he goes crazy. Yep. Didn't record it. It didn't record that one, Sean.
Buddy. $315.
315.
Torque was dumping everywhere.
Yeah.
315. Oh, woo!
It doesn't like it.
315 though, man. That thing was cruising.
Yep.
Maybe I'll do one more in 4th and just see if it'll pick up the torque.
Okay. No. 310 and the torque didn't get any better. 310 and the torque didn't get any better.
Bummer. Okay.
Now you know. Oh look, it's a tail truck.
Tail truck. Woo! Well, that was pretty cool. I'm bummed the torque didn't come out all the way, but it definitely had a quick curve up. I definitely liked it. The truck's still running. That was 8.88 pounds of boost. So yeah, I turned it up just a little bit. Almost 9 pounds of boost. And we are now at 300,002 miles. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. The torque is definitely better than it was before. It made 302 horse and 368 foot-pounds of torque. Back at the old shop with a single turbo with a single precision 6265. And now I got two T28s under the hood. And I didn't get full boost 7-8 pounds in the other setup until about 4,500 RPMs. And I have this right at about 2,500, so it wakes up a lot sooner, tows a lot better. And yeah, it was pretty cool. I'm excited about it. Hope you guys enjoyed that too. This is my daily driver. It has no electronic modifications. I just have a FMU over here that gives it X amount of fuel pressure to X amount of pounds of boost. I can't even remember exactly what it is because I did that back in 2008. So it's been on there 12 years. Super stoked, super stoked. So yeah, and I still got a catalytic converter. That's right under there. That's a Vibrant 3-inch Jesse 2 cat. It's all emission compliant for the year it is. And then I got a ton of mufflers on here to keep it quiet. So I'm getting old. I don't like my stuff being too loud, and I don't like making my neighbors mad. So hope you guys enjoyed watching my 4Runner throw down some power. 315 horse. I mean, that's pretty cool. I'm excited about that. So heck yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great night. Like, subscribe, check out our merch at Pfispeed.com, and we'll see you guys next time. 4Runner, it's daylight now, and I'm getting ready to head down to Jim's Toyota. I need a couple turn signal indicators for my front bumper so people can see when I'm trying to turn. So here we go, let's see what she does. There's 75, 80, woo! That was pretty quick for a whole whopping 6.73 pounds of boost.
South, you know, this 7-pound spring makes about 15 pounds.
No. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed your flight with Shawns Twin Turbo Air.